So welcome to Kuwait. I'm here in Kuwait. I want to go around and do some videos, but it's ridiculously hot. It's just short of 50 degrees here. I think at the moment it's like 48 degrees. It's the middle of June, so here that kind of thing's pretty like normal, but for me it really doesn't feel normal. So I thought I'm just going to drive around, have a drive around sort of all over the country and just film some interesting bits and just put a little video together doing that so I can do it from air conditioning. I will try and get around a few places in the next few days and do some videos on markets and things, but right now I'm just not used to the temperature. It's crazy. I mean, I've been to a lot of hot countries, but nothing like this. It really is. I think on the weather forecast it actually says for today the high temperature is 50 degrees. Yeah, and that's in the city. That's not in the desert. I mean, it just gets crazy here. So, just a quick video. I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you a little bit of Kuwait. Let's get going. Yeah, so that's a little bit of Kuwait. It's an interesting place. I mean, it's somewhere that not that many foreigners come to. It's very different to sort of the Western world, and yeah, well, you can see driving around. It's very nice in some places, and it's interesting seeing the desert, how deserted it is once you get outside the city, and then it's extremely congested in the city. I mean, Kuwait City is the only real city in Kuwait. Outside of that, it's just kind of desert. There's a lot of nice places sort of on the outskirts of the city. I'm going to try and get around a few of those tomorrow. I'm going to try and go to some markets because I know there's some really cool sort of souks, markets, and some of the shopping malls look amazing as well. So I'm going to be going there over the next couple of days. So yeah, if you like that, subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.